Alrighty, you guys. Okay, so I finally, after I don't know how long, after I stopped collecting, I've been meaning to get the zombie at Toro Loco, and this truck is amazing, guys. I got this at Walgreens today at Toro Loco. Look at that. I love the detail on this thing. Series 22 working suspension. They also had all of these, which hopefully I can get one of these days. I want the blue grain grave digger, the grain coat truck. All of these. I want to get them all again because, like I said, I don't have any more of these. So I already took the rubber bands off, so it won't be boring. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy out of its box. I saw the box for next year. It'll be a lot smaller. Ooh, okay. Now this is a beaut. Look at this. Look at the detail on that. I love the slime here. The slime coming out of the nose. That's really cool. The cracked skull. The cracked skin. The scars. Looks angry, and then the cracked horn near here. The black tip horns, which is cool. The cracked nose ring. No chin hair because it's a zombie, of course. Neon greenish yellowish tires. Yellow roll cage. Neon green motor insert. Of course, diecast Toro Loco right here. Also in the back is Toro Loco. So hopefully Spin Master next year, my prediction. Then we're gonna do Megalodon and the zombie gravedigger like in this size. They should do the fire and ice like this as well. Of course, the sponsor stickers. So that's all I did today, guys. I found this today at Walgreens. Like, subscribe, comment, show you guys more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.